birthday. Welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to make gift box mockup. Select selection tool. Create a box shape selection. Fill black color. Then convert to smart object. Transform layer. Place shape perspectively on box. Double-click on Smart Object layer. Link layer open. Copy artwork. Paste artwork on link layer. Save link layer. Artwork place automatically. Select artwork layer. Go to embossing options. Follow my video steps. Download silver foil image. Then mask silver foil layer on logo layer. Add color adjustment layer. Set color as per your requirement. Your mockup is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.